Anytime a new model vehicle comes out, we like to put as much content as we can out there about what fits and what works. This truck behind me is no different. We've got a 2022 Toyota Tundra, and of course this is the first year for this new model truck. And we're doing the Westcott Designs, 2 in the front, 1 in the back, lift and level kit. The one thing that's pretty unique about this build is that we're gonna be using the OEM wheels because they're brand new, and we're gonna be putting on a slightly larger and wider tire with that. As you can see behind me, we've got the strut in. This thing is going back together. We've got the left side still torn apart, but starting to put it together. You can see we've got the lower control arm still hanging. The Westcott Designs kit is pretty straightforward. What we do is we pull the entire strut out, take it apart, and put in this lower seat spacer as well as a top spacer. So we are preloading the strut just a little bit and then making up the difference with a strut mount top spacer. So the front end is going together pretty well. We're gonna be working on the rear next. The tires and wheels, we've got the OEM ones there, and I don't think we pulled the tires out yet. So once we get into the rear suspension as well as the tires, we're gonna give you a little update on what this thing looks like. The tire that we decided to go with on this project is the Falcon Wild Peak AT3. It is an awesome, extremely well-performing all-terrain tire that we use all the time here in the shop. They do great in wet weather and snow and dirt. Anything you can do, if you're looking for a tire that can do all-season work, this is one to go with. We chose this tire in a 295 60/20, which equates to about a 34-inch tall tire by about 11 inches wide. As you see, we kept the factory wheel, which this is a platinum, and this graphite wheel looks really, really good. Just feeling behind here between the upper control arm and the tire, we've got almost ½ of an inch of clearance between the tire and the upper control arm. Everywhere else, there seems to be plenty of clearance. Westcott Designs offers this suspension in 2 rear configurations. One, if your truck has coil-sprung rear suspension. The other, if your truck has airbags. This truck has airbags, so the kit comes with these very simple stainless steel ride height sensor brackets. What it does is it applies more pressure to the airbag and increase ride height by about 1 inch. We've got the new Tundra on the alignment rack, and we're getting it dialed in. With the suspension modifications that we did, there's no problem getting the alignment perfect in spec. We got this thing knocked out in 1 day, and I love the look. If you've got a brand new Tundra, this is definitely a great solution for you. You get to keep the stock wheels, you get to get a little bit more suspension lift, and definitely a bigger tire, so you can go over more terrain. I think it's the perfect solution, especially if you got a brand new Tundra. If you like this video, if you've got questions, be sure to let us know in the comment section. Be sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. Also, follow us on all the social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one.